Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So in few days back this WhatsApp team released its one of the new updates and which is called as WhatsApp video message. So by using this update you can easily send the video messages to your WhatsApp friend, but nowadays most of them using the voice message only. So if you like to get this update, just follow me friends. And this feature almost rolling out for all Android as well as iOS platforms. So I try to open my WhatsApp Messenger, but unfortunately my WhatsApp app is expired, which means that it needs to update. So I try to update my WhatsApp Messenger via App Store. So once you update your WhatsApp to a new version, just click to open it. And then I try to open one of my WhatsApp friend contacts, but here there is no specific option is not available for video message. Then how to get it? So by simply tap this microphone icon and it shows one message. Hold to record video, tap to switch to audio. So just hold this icon and it asks for my camera access permission. So just go to settings and then tick to enable microphone and camera and go back to your WhatsApp and just tap this microphone icon. So now this time you can hold that video icon. So now my video message is now ready to use and it starts to recording. So now I try to log this recording and there is possible to switch your camera like front and back, but you can record the video message up to 1 minute only, and this is one of the drawback of this update. So anyway, once you complete the video recording and finally click to send it, and this is that WhatsApp new update video message. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.